Becoming a parent for the first time is exciting, emotional, and sometimes overwhelming. Your newborn may look tiny and fragile, but with the right care, love, and routine, you can confidently support your baby's healthy growth. This complete newborn care guide will help first-time parents understand the basics step by step. In the first few weeks, feeding is the most important part of newborn care. Newborn babies usually need to be fed every 2 to 3 hours. Breast milk is the best source of nutrition, as it strengthens immunity and supports brain development. If breastfeeding is not possible, formula feeding under pediatric guidance is a safe option. Always ensure proper burping after feeding to prevent gas and discomfort. Sleep is another major concern for new parents. Newborns sleep up to 16 to 18 hours a day, but in short cycles. Always place your baby on their back to sleep, on a firm mattress, without pillows or soft toys. This reduces the risk of sudden infant death syndrome and ensures safe sleep. Hygiene plays a key role in newborn care. Until the umbilical cord stump falls off, sponge baths are recommended. Keep the cord area clean and dry. Once healed, you can bathe your baby 2 to 3 times a week using lukewarm water and mild baby soap. Regular diaper changes are essential to prevent rashes. Clean the diaper area gently and apply diaper cream if needed. Maintaining the right body temperature is very important for newborns. Dress your baby in soft, breathable clothes. A simple rule is to dress your baby in one extra layer than what you are wearing. Avoid overheating, especially during sleep. Newborn health monitoring should never be ignored. Regular pediatric checkups, timely vaccinations, and monitoring weight gain are essential. Watch for warning signs like fever, poor feeding, breathing difficulty, or excessive crying, and consult a doctor immediately if you notice anything unusual. Bonding and emotional care are just as important as physical care. Skin-to-skin contact helps regulate your baby's temperature and heartbeat while strengthening emotional connection. Talk, sing, and respond to your baby's cries. This builds trust and supports early brain development. Finally, remember that no parent is perfect. It is okay to feel tired and unsure at times. Take help when needed, rest whenever possible, and trust your instincts. With patience, love, and proper care, you will gradually gain confidence in your parenting journey. Your newborn doesn't need perfection, just your care, attention, and unconditional love.